From homes and hospitals to bridges and factories, AEC firms plan, design, and builds the structures and infrastructure that support modern life. What sets AEC apart from most industries is its project-based, fragmented nature. Every project is temporary, unique, and delivered by a different configuration of firms. This creates challenges in coordination, communication, and risk management. The result is an industry often criticized for low productivity growth, conservative procurement, and slow adoption of innovation. Despite these challenges, the industry is set to undergo major transformation in the coming years, driven by some key global trends, from urbanization and climate change to digital transformation and industrialized construction. New approaches such as building information modeling, modular and off-site construction, AI, assisted design, and digital twins. Yet transformation remains uneven. Innovation is often patchy, project-specific, and slow to scale across the fragmented industry. As pressure mounts to reduce embodied carbon, improve safety, and deliver more with fewer resources, the industry must evolve toward integrated data-driven delivery or risk being outpaced by more industrialized models of production.